Alright, I am, well, I started making the exhaust yesterday, but I'm going to show you what I've done so far, and then hopefully we're going to finish most of it today. So, some pretty crappy welds. I mean, there's a couple that are some fairly good dimes, but that's one. It's not going to be that long, it's going to be cut like right there. And then the other one is over here, but I need to make one of these, another one of these, which this is 2.5 inches. This is bigger than 2.5 inches because it's a 2.5 inch adapter, so you can put a 2.5 inch pipe in there. So I need to cut a small piece off and put it in, and then I'll be able to put this on and then weld it on. So that's what I'm doing. Just put this on and then mark it with a Sharpie and then cut it off. I'll put this little piece in here and then put this on and then weld it around as you could imagine. It's pretty simple. It's just unfortunately an extra step that I had to take because I don't know. I don't know if I could have done it better or not. I don't know. But this is going to work. I'm making it so that I can unbolt my exhaust in the future if I ever need to, which is a good thing because got to make it easier for future me or future whoever. So, yeah. And now I'll cut that with a Sawzall. That one's tacked. Tacked. I've been burning the crap out of my finger, but well, let's take a look at the welds. I don't know how good y'all can see. Maybe y'all need light to see them. I have no clue how good. I mean, I'm worth at least $2 an hour, at least. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, which I wish they could all be good, or all be bad. Just don't give me a false sense of hope. Well, as you could imagine, this is not ideal. So I need to get a 90 degree to... I could just make my own, I guess. I don't know. I might make my own, actually. But I need a 90 to go right here. Take this piece off, put the 90 right here. Hopefully it'll come out more even. And then it'll come up through here. And I'll have the X pipe like right up here. And then mufflers after out here. So yeah, this one is good. I have it adjusted good with the flange up there, and it should be good. I just need to take it off and weld it. And then this one is the problem child. So I tried cutting it. I don't think I can cut it anymore to make it good. I don't know. I might be able to, I guess. I might have to play with it, but we'll see. But this is not going to work right now. I need something for right here to fix this. So So that's the gap that I'm welding. You can see I've got a pretty good groove going there. I think I've got it pretty much figured out there. Got a little messy there, as you can see. But the bottom's a lot worse. That's before I figured out what I got in my groove, you know. But that's a pretty big gap, 1/16 of an inch at least, which is less than ideal. And yeah, I got a haircut. Motor came to say hi, but I just got done putting the old, I don't know, I'm calling them boom tubes for now. I don't know why, just because that's stuck in my head. But I got them on and kind of secured with a bungee strap on this side because I don't have an exhaust hanger. There is an exhaust hanger right, I don't know if y'all can see it, right there, which is where the cat section was hangered on. And then there is another hanger up there, which is where the muffler hung from, which has been long deleted. But yeah, that's on, so I'm gonna fire it up and see if it sounds any better. I don't know where I want to put y'all. I guess I'll leave y'all down here. What you think, motor? It kind of sounds different. Yeah, it sounds different. I guess better, I don't know. 1100 RPMs, and it is stumbling. Oh, that's funny. Alright, I got the exhaust, all the exhaust parts that I had, I should say. I got them on, so I'll show y'all what I got. I didn't film anything yesterday or the day before just because I was just at it so much. Don't know how well you'll be able to see, but there we got, so that's, I forget, about 2 feet of pipe to the X pipe, and then that's about 26 inches of pipe to those flanges, and then you've got the elbow right there that I showed y'all welding up, and then just the header pipe that comes off of there. So it sounds pretty sweet, so I'm gonna start it up and let y'all listen to it. Check gauge. Why? What gauge? What's wrong? I wonder why it says check gauge. Oh, I think the fuel gauge is laid down all the way. May or may not be because I don't have any gas in it. I need to go to sheets. Check engine light is on from the O2 sensor that's not hooked up. Shut up. I don't know. I don't think the EGR delete would put a check engine light. Maybe it would, I don't know. But actually, I don't think so. I don't think for mine. I want to see if that check gauge light is still on though. I wonder if I'm not almost out of gas actually. Alright, cool. Guess I ain't driving. Alright, this is a weird little thing. Just me filming stuff. You're a weirdo, dog. But yeah, general consensus for now, I need gas. It's a lot better of a daily driver because it doesn't rattle the cab whenever you put it over 2K RPMs. And I love it. It's an awesome truck. It sounds better, definitely, with the X-Pipe. I want a beater Ranger just to cut off and do true duels and maybe, I don't know. I just want a beater Ranger that's a manual. I need to stop yapping. Yeah, sure. Let's put the video out. So, this is what I've been doing to my exhaust. Y'all probably didn't enjoy it, but hope you did. I don't know. Leave a comment, please. Bye.